Vikrant. Thank you for connecting with ETNow.in. So, firstly, congratulations on all the big films that you're giving. So, you just mentioned that you're taking a break, but whether it's fun or films, everything is about finance. So, we want to understand how Vikrant.
I'm horrible with finance.
No, you must not be. So, how is Vikrant Massey as an investor? What is your style of putting money? Where do you put your money in? We want to meet the investor side of yours.
These are very personal questions, actually. All I can very briefly say is that I'm a conventional investor, an old school investor. Also trying to adapt with changing times. So trying to balance between the both.
Also, since we are at India Economic Conclave, I want to understand how big of a power do you see Bollywood as taking on the global stage? Since we talk about K-drama, their music. So
sorry to cut you, but I think we've already been there. We are only getting better with time. और सिर्फ Oscars या BAFTAs या Golden Globes ही मेरे लिए it's great because we're universal in nature है. But I think the kind of cinema that we are making also because with the advent of OTT platforms, सबसे पहले तो हम सबसे बड़ी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है पूरी दुनिया के.
Yes.
Now we make nearly 1800 to 2000 films in 365 days. And as I said, with the advent of OTT platforms, we are some of the largest non-English speaking movies we make in the world. There are more than 190 to 195 countries who are watching us simultaneously. And we've only gotten better with time, with our skill sets, with our technical know-how. And yes, again, then coming back to, these popular awards, whether it is Golden Globe, whether it is Oscars, every now it's not a rarity to find an Indian film compete with the global films. So it's a great turn of events.